Hi, I'm Sean Murphy from Murphy's Ice Cream, and we've been making ice cream right here in Dingle in the southwest of Ireland for 20 years. Recently we started putting our recipes up on social media, and we put up the sea salt, the brown bread, some of our biggest iconic flavors. And the #1 request that came back people wanted to see was the Dingle Gin. So we've done a video on how to make the Dingle Gin ice cream at home. If you like gin, if you like ice cream, put these two things together, you're gonna love this flavor.